Good morning, dear students. Standard 7, Chapter 2, Private Health Facilities. So first of all, the private healthcare facilities are provided by private individual or company or retired doctors. They open their own hospitals and nursing homes to provide medical facilities. Large companies are investing much money for opening big hospitals and industries. These privately owned hospitals and nursing homes charge a huge amount from the patients for curing their disease. प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल है वो उनका खुद का हॉस्पिटल होता है. आइए अब पढ़ते देखते क्या है. There is a wide range of private health facilities that exist in our country. A large number of doctors run their own private clinics in the rural area. One finds registered medical practitioners. Urban area have a large number of doctors, many of them providing specialist services. There are hospitals and nursing homes that are privately owned. There are many laboratories that do tests and offer special facilities such as X-ray, ultrasound, etc. There are also shops from where we buy medicines. तो ये भी मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि प्राइवेट हेल्थ फैसिलिटी में क्या होता है. You know that they doctor open their own hospitals and nursing homes to private facility, and they have a large much money expensive in their hospital, so that's why they do that type. Okay? Next, as the name suggests, private health facilities are not owned or controlled by the government. Unlike the public health service, in private facilities, patients have to pay a lot of money for every service that they use. तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि वहाँ पे जो पेशेंट जो भी सर्विस यूज़ करता है वो उनको बहुत सारे पैसे देने पड़ते हैं वहाँ पे. और प्राइवेट जो फैसिलिटी उसमें गवर्नमेंट कुछ भी नहीं कर सकती. वहाँ पे जो प्राइवेट हेल्थ फैसिलिटी होती है वो उनका खुद का होता है, हॉस्पिटल होती है इसलिए. और टुडे द प्रिंसेस ऑफ प्राइवेट फैसिलिटीज कैन बी सीन ऑल अराउंड. In fact, now there are large companies that run hospitals and some are engaged in manufacturing and selling medicines. Medical shops are found in every corner of the country. तो आप ये भी देख सकते हैं. Health and inequality is indicate health care available to all. तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि the private healthcare facility are providing by private individuals and retired doctor men. They open their own hospitals and nursing homes to provide facilities. So that's why large companies are investing much money for opening big hospitals and industrials. These privately owned hospitals and nursing homes charge a huge amount from the patients for curing their disease. ये भी बात यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट है. In India, we face a situation where private services are increasing but public services are not. What is then available to people are mainly private services. These are concentrated in urban area. As these services are run for profit, the cost of these services is rather high. Medicines are expensive. Many people cannot afford them or have to borrow money when there is an illness in the family. तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि कभी कभी ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में हम जाए तो हमारे पास इतने पैसे भी नहीं होते जितना खर्चा हो जाता है. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, तो हमें पैसे बोरो करने पड़ते हैं और फिर किसी के पास लेके हमें वो इलाज करवाना ही पड़ता है. तो प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में ऐसा हो सकता है. अगर गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल हम जाए तो ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है क्योंकि वो सारे के सारा इलाज फ्री में होता है इसलिए. नेक्स्ट, सम प्राइवेट सर्विस encourage incorrect practices to earn more. At time inexpensive alternative through available may not be used. For example, some medical practitioners are found to prescribe superfluous medicines, injections, or selling when simple medication may suffice. In fact, barely 20% of the population can afford all the medicines that they require during an illness. तो ये हम जान सकते हैं कि प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में कैसा माहौल होता है, कैसा एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, और गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में कैसा एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, वो हम कभी ना कभी हमने देखा ही होगा. नेक्स्ट, even for those whom one might not think as being poor, medical expense cause hardship. It was reported in a study that 40% of people who are admitted to a hospital for some illness or injury have to borrow money or sell some of their possession to pay for the expenses. तो ये मैंने आपको पहले ही बताई ये बात में कि कभी कभी हमें ऐसा भी सिचुएशन आ जाती है कि हमें किसी और से पैसे लेके इलाज कराना पड़ता है. फॉर दोज हु आर पुअर, एवरी इलनेस इन द फैमिली इज अ कॉज ऑफ ग्रेट एनेक्सिटी एंड डिस्ट्रेस. what is worse is that this situation tends to happen again and again. Those who are poor are in the first place undernourished. These families are not eating as much as they should. They are not provided basic necessities like drinking water and adequate housing, clean surroundings, etc. And therefore are more likely to fall ill. The expenses or illness make their situation even worse. तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि कई बार ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि हमारी जो सराउंडिंग जो एटमॉस्फेयर वो अच्छा ना हो, जैसे कि हमें जो हम पानी पीते हैं यानी कि ड्रिंकिंग वाटर वो भी अच्छा ना हो तो भी हम बीमार हो जाते हैं, और हमारा जो हाउस है वो क्लीन ना हो फिर भी हम बीमार हो जाते हैं. हमारे जो आसपास का जो एटमॉस्फेयर वो भी साफ़ सुथरा होना चाहिए, तो हमें इससे बीमारी कम लगती है. ना भी लगे ऐसा भी हम कह सकते हैं कि अच्छा रखे तो हमें बीमारी नहीं आ सकती. तो ये भी सारी बातें जो है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो भी हमें नोटिस कर लेनी चाहिए. Next, sometimes it is not only the lack of money that prevent people from getting proper medical treatment. Women, for example, are not taken to a doctor in a prompt manner. Women's health concerns are considered to be less important than the health of men in the family. Many tribal areas have few health centers and they do not run properly. Even private health service are not available. तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि जो रूरल एरिया है वहाँ पे बहुत सारे जो है वो उनको कभी जाना पड़े तो पब्लिक जो है यानी कि गवर्नमेंट वहाँ पे ही जाना पड़े. प्राइवेट हेल्थ सर्विस आर नॉट अवेलेबल देयर, वहाँ पे ये अवेलेबल नहीं है. जो हम अर्बन एरिया है, अर्बन एरिया, और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे होते हैं क्योंकि जो ग्राम हम कह सकते हैं कि प्राइवेट हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटी आर प्रोवाइडेड बाय प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल. ओके, एंड दे डॉक्टर्स ओपन देयर ओन हॉस्पिटल्स, nursing homes to private medical facilities, and they provide only for cities. Okay, so here most important. Then next, what can be done we will discuss about in our next lecture. Thank you.